Cool. So good afternoon, people.
Good afternoon.
How are we all doing?
I'm good.
Okay. Does anyone have any kind of pain or ache or anything that they want to talk about?
Yes, I want to.
Yes, Seema, tell me.
पिछले 1-1.5 महीने से मेरी आईज में बहुत पेन है, ईचिंग है, और स्पेशली व्हेन आई वर्क ऑन मोबाइल, क्योंकि मेरा सारा काम ऑनलाइन ही है, तो
Right.
मुझे काम मोबाइल पे ही करना पड़ता है.
Hmm.
In spite of doing all the clearings, interesting point of view, return it to senders. I'm also running my bars, but still it is there. I don't know what's going on.
Itching in the eyes.
Seema, I have the same problem. It's actually dry eyes.
Okay.
So I'm on medication by the doctor because I'm having a lot of pain in both the eyes.
Okay.
Condition of dry.
So apart from, yeah, of course, you can go and consult a doctor about it, ophthalmologist, and find out what's the exact diagnosis of it. If required, take some drops or something. But at the same time, if I have to talk about the healing of it, if I have
Yeah.
to talk about the metaphysics of it, before I talk about it, let me do this disclaimer here. Whatever I'm saying is not a substitute to medical treatment.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
None of what we are doing is a substitute to medical treatment. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि तकलीफ बढ़ती जा रही है और आप डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जा रहे. Okay?
Yeah.
When required, you have to go to the doctor. When required, you have to take medicines. When
Yes.
required, you have to get a diagnosis done. Yes, one thing I can assure, if you practice regularly, you may not require a doctor
Yes,
after
exactly.
some time,
Yeah.
right? That is possible. But as long as you don't get into that space of everyday practice, you can't expect, I mean, it is miraculous, but you can't expect everything to change overnight.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so that's the disclaimer that I want to make with everybody who's here. That don't neglect when things are not, under control.
Yeah.
When things are not under control, please go visit the doctor, homeopath, Ayurvedic, whoever you want to visit, and get the required treatment done. This
Yeah.
Soul's Temple is always going to be a catalyst to recovery. And it will enhance the speed of recovery. It will make recovery faster. In this 1 week, I have seen so much shift already in the people in the different batches with regards to their mental space, emotional space. Okay. Physical health takes a little more while because we all have thoughts which convert into emotions, which convert into energy, and then it converts into the physical body. And then the physical body will convert into the physical reality, the
Yeah.
environment. That is established. Those who know a little bit of healing and a little bit of power of your subconscious mind, itna un logon ko pata hai. It's a universal phenomenon. Okay? It is taken from the theory of subconscious mind, theory of the mind actually, of Dr. John Kappas from USA. So ये तो बहुत साल पहले, when in 2012 when I was learning hypnotherapy, I learned this, that okay, thoughts convert into emotions, into energy, into physical body, and then that converts into your physical environment. So what are we getting to work on in this space? We are also working, so generally for the physical environment, who gives the remedies, if anyone would like to say? Who gives remedies for physical environment?
Universe. Like,
Universe, in practical reality, I'm talking.
acha,
Doctors.
Physical environment, not physical body.
तो
Physical
Nature.
फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट तो
Nature.
हमारे हमारे मन के हाथ में है.
मैं वो बात ही नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं ये कह रही हूँ फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट में अगर प्रॉब्लम होती है तो लोग
Nature,
किससे
nature.
सलाह लेते हैं.
डॉक्टर डॉक्टर
नहीं, ना डॉक्टर, ना
our
नेचर.
relatives भी होते हैं,
वास्तु, फेंग शुई,
हाँ,
यू नो,
astrologer.
जियोपैथिक स्ट्रेस,
या
ये सब जो एनवायरनमेंट को स्टडी करते हैं उनसे कंसल्ट करते हैं लोग. Okay,
Yeah,
people consult the Vastu, Feng Shui, these people for the physical environment. Then let's come to the physical body. For physical body, usually people will consult a doctor, allopathic doctor, okay, who will give you some medicines and other things. Then when it comes to the energy body, you can connect to the homeopath and Ayurvedic doctors because they work on the energy body. Then when it comes to the emotions, you consult a psychiatrist, psychologist, you know, all of these people work on the emotions. When it comes to the thoughts, the hypnotherapist, the people who do work with the subconscious mind, people like me, radical healing, and these are the things which work on the thought level. The brilliance of Soul's Temple is it works on all of these levels.
great.
Soul's temples can work for your environment, it can work for your physical body, it can work for your energy body, it can work for your emotional space, and it can work for your thoughts. How brilliant is it? Like, and it's so simple, so beautiful, so effective that if we start practicing Soul's Temple, starting from the thought till the physical environment, we can leave an impact on everything. And that's the reason it's one of my favorite tools, and it's one of those things that I wish to spread across the globe wherever possible and however possible, and do whatever it takes. And again, from that same space, I'm saying that does it mean that I am going to reach out one person in the entire world? No. The people that I'm reaching out to, when they share it with others, the tools with others, the maybe videos with others, audios with others, or simply the templates with others, and then make people do Soul Simple, and it goes on. The chain effect of this is going to be, beyond our imagination. And that's the intention, that's the desire, that's a thought, that's the emotion, the energy. My physical body is also aligned to it, and my physical environment is completely aligned to that. I've chosen to be in this space just to do that. Okay. So this, when all of this come in sync, you know, the thoughts, the emotions, the energy, the body, the environment, that is when you don't require doctors. You won't have a disease. You will not fall ill in the first place, you know. But for all of this to come in line, in symmetry or congruent, it takes a hell of a lot of work. It's not that easy. At the same time, Soul's Temple can make it very easy. We can always work on our emotions and thoughts to begin with, so that it doesn't convert into the physical body. It doesn't convert into the physical environment. One example of this is like this morning. I already shared before many people joined with Vandana, that first or second day there was this girl on the morning 6:30 call who was crying, and she was my demo. And she was like, oh, 4 of our friends, distant friends have died, and a neighbor died, and 5-6 people she mentioned who died of COVID. And then one of them was a suicide, she said. And she was extremely upset, and she was talking about, how she gets completely paranoid to hear about death. It makes her space tremble. It makes her cry. It makes it so difficult for her to even hear the news of death. So that day when she was my demo in the morning, and we worked on one by one the emotions that showed up, I can't cease to be grateful when this morning she said, yesterday my uncle died, but I was unshakable. And I could handle that with a very neutral space. And I could hold space for the other people in my family. Plus, she shared that in her in-laws have got COVID positive. Earlier, she would be in a space of, seeking validation from them, that if she does anything, they never acknowledge, they don't validate. But then today she was like, yesterday I just did it. That, that is the contribution that I can be. And I didn't even ask for acknowledgement or validation. Now, if we started this on 21st, and today is what, 26th, right? Yeah, 26, 5 days. If in 5 days, this change is visible, I am just wondering that, oh my God, 1 month, what are we going to create here? All of us together. What contribution can we all be to ourselves, our bodies, our environment, the world, and the greater well-being of each and every one of us? Does that mean that we have been able to yet completely eliminate and eradicate the deaths that are happening? No, maybe not. But what would it be great if in our vicinity, if in our environment, more people are healthier and happier and choosing life than death? Wouldn't that be great?
Absolutely.
Right? That is the intention. And I just feel that, do your best and leave the rest to God. That's my always, belief system. It works for me. Whether it's true, untrue, I don't even care. It works for me that, yeah, I do my best and I leave the rest to God. And I've never seen things getting worse when I've operated from this space. Things have only gotten worse when I've operated from fear or doubts or lack of faith or, panic or anxiety or anything. But the moment I come back to this space, that, okay, fine, this is going on. What's going on inside of me? Let me work on those emotions and let me change it. That's all. But the moment I come to this space, then everything only gets better. Nothing gets worse in my universe. Nothing, like really nothing. So that is why each one of us is the creator of our universe. Aham Brahmasmi doesn't mean that I created this whole world. I am not capable of creating the whole world. I'm not God, right? But my universe, I create. My body, every day I create. My well-being, every day I create. My financial stability, every day I work to create that. So everything that in my universe, definitely I am in charge. And I create it or I destroy it, both. How can I destroy it? By going into the, downward spiral of thoughts, of going into, shit, this is not working, this is not happening, that is not happening, nothing is going to change, everything is only going to go worse, blah, 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 blah. I can go on and on and on in my head and make things worse than they were. Okay? Or I can just look at how things are not working, the things that are not working, look at them and then, okay, just look at them and acknowledge that, okay, fine, at this time, this is not changing, this is not working. And, so for example, if there are 12 people or 10 people, out of 10 people, only 2 people got results and maybe 8 people didn't get yet. Now that is being real. Nothing, I'm not being positive or anything. I'm just being real that, yeah, out of 8 people, 10 people got results. Out of 10 people, 2 people got results and 8 people didn't get. Now, then instead of going into a conclusion, shit man, I'm such a failure, I can't do anything good, I'm not at all a good facilitator, why did I even take up this job? I shouldn't have taken up. I should just stop it now. I should tell people I can't do this 1 month, blah, blah, blah. I can go to that space also, right? If I have to. All of us do that. Okay, all of us do that. For silly, trivial things, we start going into the downward spiral and like, oh man, I fucked it up. I just wasted everything. I wasted my time. I wasted my life, blah, 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 etc., etc. And I'll go on and on with that. And then all the things that were seemingly the two people who were changing will also get sucked into this,
Yeah.
right? The two things which were going right will also become bad. Now, this is what, this downward spiral, going into the downward spiral of thoughts can do to all of us. I'm including me in it. I'm not saying I'm out of that league. I'm completely in that. I also go into those spaces at times. But what I have learned, and I have ensured that the moment I go there, I will make sure I will talk to somebody, some therapist, some healer, someone, and I'll tell, hey, you know what? I think my thoughts are going into a downward spiral. Please do some healing for me. Please. And I have my own trusted, we all have our own trusted friends and healers and all of that. So the moment I do that, it becomes so much more easier to deal with things rather than keep waiting for it to get even worse and then do something. So for all of us here, if we are here every day for this 1 month, the least you can take away from here is ensure that anytime you see yourself, don't forget the environment, forget the other people, what other people are doing, what you can't do. Just go into this space of whenever I commit to myself, I promise to myself that whenever I go into a downward spiral, I'll make sure I'll connect to whoever. If Bandhana is busy, it doesn't matter. I'll connect to somebody else, and I will make sure that I come out of that. Now that is the beginning of change. That is the beginning of a new reality where each one is in charge of his or her own mental space. And when you make a mental health a priority and when you invest in yourself, physical health, I can write and give, will not deteriorate for any of them. Yeah. Because that is a given that your physical health is directly proportional to your mental health. If you're having pain and you're telling, oh, but mentally I'm very fine, the pain is only in the body, you're lying, by the way. Okay, no pain can come to the body without you having some thoughts which are not working for you. It is not possible. It is not possible. Somebody may tell me hereditary, oh, this is a hereditary disease, I didn't create it. My mother has this or my father has this, so it has to come to me. So the thoughts of your mother or your father that you aligned and agreed with will create that disease. And that is hereditary, nothing else. I have absolutely no hereditary disease as well, which my mom or my dad or my grandma or my grandpa might have had. I don't have any of that. Why? Did I, am I not their blood? Or is my DNA something different? Or I don't belong to them? Did they bring me up from the dustbin? Or from the orphanage? No, not really. But I have worked to change that space and not manifest the same thoughts, feelings, emotions, illnesses in my body. And when I can do it, anyone can do it. I'm not a doctor. I'm not like extremely highly qualified to be able to say this. I've worked my way through. I've practiced, I've learned, practice, invested time, invested money, invested me so much into all of this that now you talk about mind, you talk about body, you talk about soul, you talk about physical environment, you talk about family. I can deal with everything. how brilliant is this space to be in, right? And when I'm saying this, of course, not everybody wants to be a healer. That everybody doesn't need to be a healer, but everybody needs to be open to visit a healer or a therapist when required. You don't have to do everything yourself. What I am not good at, I don't sit and do it myself. Like, if do we not take the help of our mates or our staff for doing the work that we are not doing? Isn't it? We do take help of other people. So similarly, if your job is IT, if your job is accountancy, or if your job is some business or some fashion related thing, you don't have to necessarily become a healer. You don't have to learn all the healing modalities and therapies. There are so many people who have invested their time and money and themselves into this field. You can connect to one of those people whom you can trust and get help, and be willing to take help before it gets worse. That's what. So all the people, I wouldn't say everybody who's suffering from COVID just wantedly did it, wanted to die, and that's why they are there. No. But definitely there is a level of ignorance about that there is another possibility. Definitely there is a level of ignorance about the moment we got even one symptom, there was a possibility to change it then and there. Okay. So how can we dispel this ignorance from the world? By sharing, by spreading the awareness that, you know what, I did Soul Temple and this changed. I did Reiki and this changed. I did switch words and this changed. I did, say, access body process and this changed. How miserly we become when we want to hold information only to ourselves. कितने कंजूस हो जाते हैं हम लोग कि हमको किसी चीज से फायदा हुआ है पर हम किसी और को उसके बारे में बताएंगे नहीं. कम से कम बात तो हम कर ही सकते हैं कि हाँ, इससे मुझे फायदा हुआ है, तुम भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. Isn't it? So Geeta, what have you written? Let me read what she's written. So she's saying, wanted to thank you as my mixie coupler was broken and minutes repair person came without any family hiccup, thanks to you and Soul Temple. So see, when you're practicing Gita, is when it changes. Everybody, all of you who will practice, it will change. I'm not even surprised. These things are like, I read them every day. It doesn't, if I have to say that when I read these things, definitely I feel very grateful. At the same time, is this what makes me have more faith? No, I have complete faith. I have more than 100% faith that the people who practice it will benefit. But you have to practice it. You have to sit and work with yourself, even if you don't know. Some people say that we don't know how to make statements like you. Don't make statements like me. You make your own statements. You work on your own emotions, your feelings, your pain. You don't have to become Bandhana. Nobody has to become Bandhana. Everybody can take a little bit, one part of what Bandhana is doing and be a better themselves. Be a better Sheetal, be a better Vandana, be a better Harminder, whoever. It's not about becoming like me. I have dedicated my life in the last 1 decade to this field because it's extremely interesting for me. It's intriguing. It's beautiful. I just love this subject because I love people. I love, how mankind can thrive. I love to know more about how we all can flourish, how we all can grow together. And that is my interest, my desire. And so I have kept on learning new things. I'll keep on learning even now, even after now. So these are the things that I am not, expecting everybody to do what I'm doing. What I'm expecting, I do have expectations. What I'm expecting everybody who's here, A, to practice every day what is being said. If you can't attend, someday if you can't attend the workshop, go and listen to the audio, go and listen to the video. Share those templates with other people. Tell people that, oh, when I'm doing this simple XYZ is my soul's temple, my need for XYZ is my soul's temple, my resistance to let go of XYZ is my soul's temple. Just these three statements 11 times, and suddenly pain gets lesser. This much, I think all of us can do. Okay, that is my expectation. Yes, I do have expectation, and I'm not denying that. So that's what I want to talk to everybody. And today, so let's work on all these 5 simple, like let's do very simple affirmations today. Morning also I did some very simple 5 senses, 5 elements, nature, all of that I did. So right now we can do my physical environment, my physical body, my energy body, my emotional space, and my thoughts are my soul's temple each. Okay. And the second statement with that would be my need to get affected by each. Okay. The third would be my resistance to let go of the need to be at the effect of these is my soul's temple. Okay, just simple. I'm making it very, very simple so that in future, even after 1 month, when we are not going to have these classes, you will have so many ways to deal with things. You will have simple ways to deal with things, and that's all. That's all I want to spread. Okay, so, and when I'm bringing up these things, if any of you feel anything, you can write on chat. Okay, you can write on chat while saying this came to my mind, or this image came to my mind, or this thought came to me. Okay, and whatever comes, and we'll address that. We'll take it from there. Fine.
Bandana,
Yes.
I don't know if this can be addressed because my chemo has already been delayed by 3 weeks. And this another week, we are not planning to go to the hospital because the hospital is in a terrible mess. Medanta over here in Delhi. The
Okay.
doors were locked, last night. They won't let anybody enter. So it's in a terrible mess. The whole emergency is full of COVID patients. The wards are turned into COVID. So little scared to go there. So
How are you
be
feeling inside, Ranjali?
I'm feeling okay. I don't feel that I immediately require chemo.
Exactly.
Somehow that confidence is there that my tumors are not growing. They are where they are.
Exactly. And I trust that, Ranjali, I'm not trying to over exaggerate the effect of Soul's Temple, but from 13th, you're doing it from 13th, right?
Yes.
From 13th, it's 13 days now, 13 or 14
Yeah.
days.
Yeah.
What if the universe is telling you don't require chemo?
Wow. That will be
That's so
just
true.
amazing, out of the world. Yeah.
Why are we looking at it from a perspective of, all hospitals are closed and everything? And you're not feeling any symptom which is worsening, right?
No, nothing of
Yeah.
that sort.
That is the brilliance of it, that when you're doing Soul's Temple every day, automatically, like I'll give an example. My maid in my previous house in Pune, she was told that she has to remove the uterus and that she was having menstruation issues and continuous bleeding and stuff like that. She came and she said, Didi, operation karana padega, and I would need financial help and some chutti also. I said, fine, wo sab to main de dungi, but hua kya? So she gave me the sonography report and everything. I said, ठीक है, ऐसा करते हैं कि तुम अभी काम के लिए मत आना, बट रोज घर आना मेरे पास हीलिंग कराने के लिए, ठीक है? घर आना, हीलिंग करा के घर चले जाना. तो फर्स्ट डे शी सेड, ठीक है दीदी. I did access body process for her, okay? For her entire body, whatever came to me, I did. Like I took some 40-45 minutes, I did body process for her. She felt a little better. Then next day she came just again for the healing. I said, नहीं काम करने की जरूरत नहीं, काम मैं देख लूँगी. Second day when she came, she said, लेकिन मेरे घर वाले सब बोल रहे हैं, but वो healing वगैरह कुछ भी करो, but operation तो कराना ही पड़ेगा ना. So I was just in my head, I started asking questions. Okay, am I limiting her from getting the operation done, or am I kind of thinking too much about the positive side of it? Okay, I should not sabotage somebody else's health because of my belief in something, right? So I told her कि ठीक है, एक दूसरे डॉक्टर के पास पता कर लो, और फिर अगर वो डॉक्टर भी बोले कि ऑपरेशन कराना है तो करा लेना. Okay, and I started doing clearing statements that whatever is most contributing for her may show up. That's all. And every day she came for 10 days, she got body processes done. 10 days. First of all her extra bleeding and stuff stopped on its own in those 10 days. For 1 week, she didn't get to a doctor. शिले गा रहे उस डॉक्टर के पास गए, उनके पास टाइम नहीं है. एक दीदी है जिनके यहाँ मैं काम करती हूँ जो डॉक्टर है, उनके पास भी टाइम नहीं है. And I kept doing, okay, how does it get better than this? What else is possible? And I was continuing to do my body processes. After 10 days, she reached a doctor, and the doctor did the sonography again for her and said, no, you don't require an operation.
Wow.
Amazing, amazing. That's amazing.
In 10 days. And after that, that maid worked with me for another 2 years. Like in that house, I was there for another 2 years. She never required any operation for the next 2 years also. Now, can I say for life she'll not require to remove her uterus? I can't say that because that's not my guarantee. I'm not a doctor. But what I'm saying is, I have seen such miracles happen. I have seen the doctors coming and telling that, okay, now you don't need operation.
Amazing. Yeah.
So it is just that instead of investing into hospitals, so many tests, so many things, how about investing into getting a body process, lying down and getting a body process done every day? How about investing in time into doing a soul temple every day to work on our emotions? Isn't that a way easier and better and more constructive expenditure? And
Yes.
something which is going to create greater for you and for everybody.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, and see, Ranjali, when I'm saying all this, how does it feel for you? Light or heavy?
Light, absolutely
See,
light.
what's
Very
true
light.
makes you feel lighter,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yesterday also I heard the day I missed only one day.
Yeah.
So I sat down and I heard the whole thing yesterday.
Yeah.
And of course, it was a beautiful day, a beautiful episode, but I missed it.
That
Somehow
doesn't
that
matter.
particular day. Yeah, so I heard it and it was
You
covered.
heard it and it is covered. That's all. And
Yeah.
everywhere,
Yeah.
everywhere we are deciding or judging or concluding that unless we do it every day, it will not change. And how about
Yeah.
your capacities to change it innately by your own strength, inner determination and strength, Ranjali? I
Yes.
see you as a, awesomely courageous woman. And I'm
Thank you.
so grateful that you came on my 13th workshop.
Thank
Because
you.
it was you who were instrumental in creating the 9 days and then this 1 month. Really.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So yeah,
And
thank you.
I thank every day I thank the universe and God that you came into my life and guided me somewhere, onto some path where it's for my betterment. Like I'm
Yeah.
really grateful for that.
And same, so am I.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at it when you're saying, okay, chemo nahi ho raha, I'm thinking, okay, shayad zarurat hi nahi hai.
Yeah, good. But it just came to my mind, like last time my daughter came up, she said, I'm thinking that another week we should not go. I said, yes, even I don't want to go because she sits outside for 3-4 hours, and yesterday she had a little temperature about 99. So we both got scared, like,
Yeah,
but then it went down.
awesome.
And normally when she has her periods, her temperature rises or she has pain or something like that. So that was the period time, when the
Yeah.
periods were coming.
Yes.
So I said, no, nothing is going to happen. You just go and relax and we'll wait for another week.
Yeah.
And that's how we just...
See, how could you gave that assurance to her because you were in an empowered space.
Yes.
Because
yes.
you are doing Soul Temple every day and you're in an
Yeah.
empowered space, you could tell her, nothing will happen. Otherwise, you go into
Yeah.
panic, she goes into panic, and the fever increases.
Yeah, yeah. I
Is it?
just told her, I said nothing will happen. You just go and relax. Then she called me up after about half an hour, 45 minutes. She says the temperature is gone. I said,
See?
great.
How does it get better than
Yeah.
this? This is
Yeah.
what it is. This is the power that we all have. We
Yeah.
can really, really create changes in our lives simply by acknowledging the beautiful small, small changes that show up and just asking, like, yeah, how does it get better than this?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you, Ranjali. And I would like you to show your face, your beautiful face
I
to
was
everyone.
on, I just switched it off because again my hair is oil in it, and so I just
Oh my God, I love your oily hair.
normally I put oil in my hair because after all my hair fell off, I'm quite this thing ki I should get a
इसका
good
तो कोई
look.
आता नहीं देखना कौन
Sitting at home, I take advantage of it, I said, okay, let's oil and sit down.
Chill. Honestly, if we all could let go all these inhibitions, right? Oh, my hair is oiled. I'm not wearing a good dress, or I have not put on makeup, and I'm wearing the specs. I used to big time. I used to hate wearing specs.
Yeah.
I used to be like, shit, it makes me look older.
Yeah.
But then the moment I broke that inhibition, I'm so comfortable. And then people come and compliment me, oh my God, you look so amazing. I'm like, yeah, I look amazing any which way.
I had this inhibition of not
कौन है
coloring
जी
hair anymore, because I stopped coloring the recently only.
Yeah.
So that was a big inhibition in me that I'm looking very, very old without the color on my hair. And somehow I got over it. I said, okay, balls to it. I'll forget it.
You're getting sexier by the day. Don't bother.
Yeah, but no men around.
We'll get men also. Let's do Soul's Temple. So yeah. I just adore you, Ranjali. Thank you for just
Thank you.
coming into my life. You add so much value.
So much. Same for you too, Bandana. You just, bring that thing out and laugh for some time at least, during the whole day. It's really
Okay,
nice.
so what will it take for us to be able to laugh the whole day?
let's do that Soul Temple I was about to say
Yes.
I was like मुझे ये dose चाहिए I was getting calls इसको ये हो रहा है इसको ये हो रहा है I was like I have to go to Panya
वो laughter तो भूल ही गया जिंदगी में हंसते कैसे हैं
चलो ठीक है. Today let's do it in Hindi.
हिंदी अच्छा okay okay
क्योंकि हंसना भूल गए तो हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं.
okay
ठीक है.
okay.
Let's talk about
मुझे भी हिंदी में कुछ बोलना है.
बोलो. Yes,
Pranali,
Bhabhi.
were you able to hear me
Yeah, you said calls
Actually,
kept coming.
हाँ, जिस दिन से सोल टेम्पल स्टार्ट हुआ उस दिन से मेरे एक भाई की तबीयत बहुत खराब थी. हॉस्पिटल में आईसीयू में था.
There's a
लंग्स
lot
पे
of
बहुत इफेक्ट हुआ
disturbance from
उसके.
somebody.
अब बोल.
मतलब अब इतने दिन के सोल टेम्पल के बाद हुआ या जो भी असर हुआ पता नहीं, पर कल मुझे पता चला कि उनके हेल्थ में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है. उनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल 95 पे आ गया है. So it's
Awesome.
very nice and thank you everyone कि सब यहाँ पे बैठ के सबके लिए प्रेयर करते हैं. जिनको कोई जानता नहीं है उनके लिए भी सब प्रेयर कर रहे हैं. It's very good. And
So, by the way, to all those who don't know, she's my elder brother's wife, my Bhabhi, my beautiful Bhabhi. I love her very much.
I love you too.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So these are the people, my Bhabhi and my brother. They have all been like the strength. They are like my backbone. All that I am able to do with this much joy and everything. These people are always there behind me. I know, हाँ कुछ भी होगा, कुछ कचरा कर दिया मैंने, तो जाके I can just stay with them and they'll take care of me.
मुझे इतनी तारीफ करनी नहीं आती, पर मुझे कुछ भी होता है तो मैं जीजी के पास जाती हूँ और बिना किसी सोचे कि भाई क्या होगा नहीं होगा, मेरे को पूरा फेथ है और मैं इसके लिए भी आने वाली थी, पर फिर मुझे लगा कि ये सोल टेम्पल हो रहा है तो मैं भी इसी को ज्वाइन करके आगे जाऊं, तो इसलिए मैंने भी ये ज्वाइन किया था और आज बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के कि उनके हेल्थ पे सुधार है काफी और उनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल अच्छा हो रहा है अब धीरे धीरे।
Great.
एक टाइम ऐसा पोजीशन आ गया था कि समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि वो मतलब सरवाइव करेंगे या नहीं, ये भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था और अभी ये इतनी अच्छी गुड न्यूज है तो बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Awesome. Thank you Bhabhi for sharing.
So nice to have you here, Anju. So nice.
Same here.
You are our
Thank you,
bhabhi too.
everyone.
You are our bhabhi too.
How does it get better than this?
No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
So
Hello.
chalo, let's do it in Hindi today.
Hello.
Who sings?
I wanted to ask one thing.
Yeah, please.
Can we do soul temple for other people, other person?
Yeah, of course. We are doing it for everybody, right? So like that.
No, like if the other person is, they don't know this or they don't believe in such things, but can we do it for them?
We can do it for what it is making us feel when they are not believing, when they are not doing. And you have to work first on your own feelings about that whole situation. That, okay, what do I feel when that person is not doing healing? What do I feel when that person is not believing in healing? What do I feel that when that person is unwell? You know, you have to work on all those feelings and that will create change.
And the other thing is that though a person is believer, like they believe in all such therapies and but like what I do, like when a situation comes, like that this COVID or anything, so I apply my all knowledge, whatever I know. I apply access, I apply other things, whatever healing technology.
Yes, whatever
Like I know,
modality. Yeah.
whatever modalities. So the soul temple, and I do believe that each modality will work, is working.
Yes.
So the thing is that all the person are not like that. They don't want to do everything.
Correct, of course.
And what I feel is that if a situation comes, I will, use all my weapons.
Yeah.
I will. So I keep on telling my spouse, like he is not here and he has detected from COVID from last 2 days. So I keep on sending him multiple things and do this and do that and listen to these clearings and do sujo. But he says that when I'll be there, you do everything for me. I'll do only what I can. Like maybe he's not in his capacity right now to. So in
Correct.
such situations, can we, do healing with soul temple for other person?
You can first, as I said before also, first you have to do healing for yourself. You know, what is this making you feel? When your husband is not doing, the healing that you're sending, then what is that making you feel? When your husband is having COVID, what is it making you feel? All that we have to address, and that will bring a shift first in your energy and then in your environment. That is how it is. Soul Temple works completely on everything in my environment is created by me. So what am I feeling about this? Let me work on that. And then the environment will automatically change.
Okay.
That is how it works. Okay. So what we can do is, and if when we are working on for another person, the simplest way is like say that person's name and say that this person is my soul temple. His sickness is my soul temple, or COVID is my soul temple. My need to heal this person is my soul temple. My resistance to let go the need to heal this person is my soul temple. So that what it will do is, okay, when I let go the need to heal, automatically they will heal on their own. Okay, so this is also a form of control that we want to exercise when we want everybody to do what we are doing. Okay, not everybody has to do what
Not
we are
that
doing.
not, it's not that I want him to do everything I do, but it's just that I want, like you, as you rightly said, the need for healing the other person, my need
Correct.
for,
Healing the other person.
yeah.
Yes, that is important to address first, because the if I have to maintain my position of a healer, I have to have unhealed people around me, right? So I don't want to be healer. I just want to have fun in life and let everybody have fun. What am I doing with the healing capacities? I'm using it to my best advantage. But at the same time, I'm not making this my source of life. This is not the source of my life. I have a lot of other good things in my
Source
life
of,
apart from it.
source of fear.
Source of my life,
Okay.
in the sense, if somebody is an architect, architecture is not the source of his life, right? It's source of livelihood, but it is not the source of life.
Hmm.
Similarly, if healing is my livelihood, I earn my bread and butter through healing, I'm not going to make that the source of my life. Means if I have people who don't want to do healing, I'll still be with them and share what they want to share with me. And being there is important for my loved ones. Not healing them is not important. Like for example, the person that Bhavi was talking of, who is in the ICU. My brother called me yesterday. He said, "Bandhu, tu kuch karegi kya alag se, shamanic journey or something?" Because that person is in the ICU. I said, you know what? I don't have the bandwidth to right now take one-to-one sessions, so I won't be doing. All that we are doing, we can just send the energy of healing to them, and then we'll see. बस सोल्स टेम्पल अगर उनके घर वाले करना चाहते हैं तो उनके घर वालों को सोल्स टेम्पल भेज दो, वो लोग कर सकते हैं। एंड जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं, प्रेयर कर सकते हैं। एंड टुडे शी इज टेलिंग दैट ही इज बेटर। जस्ट yesterday me and my brother had a conversation. Did I do anything? Nothing. I just put an intention that okay, fine, whatever is best for that person I show, because somebody is in pain. So sometimes all you need to do is pray for them sincerely and sincerely wish for them to get well and give them the space to choose what they want to choose. Okay. And not necessarily feel that if they don't do this, then it will not change. Okay. If we fix that in our head, that means we have fixed that change is not possible unless they do healing. What if they won't have to do healing and still it will change? What if they have some different capacities which they haven't yet explored? What if we could give them the opportunity to explore what they want to explore? You know, that. And that is where I tell people that work on your own self. There was this one of my client whose husband, she was a yoga therapist. Her husband,
But this thing is making me feel helpless.
has to address the helplessness. Let's all address it. Okay, let's all address the helplessness. So okay, because I wanted to do something in Hindi so that it can be forwarded to the people who do in Hindi, I'm going to do it in Hindi, Mona. Do you understand Hindi?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Does everybody here understand Hindi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to do it in Hindi today. So, helplessness is lachari, right? Lachar महसूस करना. I'm going to mute everybody and I'm going to just go with the statements now. Okay. Okay, fine. मेरे अपने जो बीमार है मेरा आत्मा मंदिर है. मेरे अपने जो बीमार है मेरा आत्मा मंदिर है. मेरे अपने जो बीमार है मेरा आत्मा मंदिर है. मेरे अपने जो बीमार है मेरा आत्मा मंदिर है. मेरे अपने जो बीमार हैं, मेरा आत्म मंदिर है।
Vandana, can't hear your last part. It goes, the volume goes less.
Well,
मेरे तो अपने बीमार हैं, उसके बाद what did you say?
मेरे अपने जो बीमार है, मेरा आत्म मंदिर है, सोल टेम्पल, आत्म
Oh,
मंदिर. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, I'll do both English and Hindi. Doesn't matter.
yeah, because Hindi is slightly difficult to remember.
Never mind. So, my loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My loved ones who are sick are my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My need to heal my loved ones is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to trust that they can heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to take action in alignment of the greater well-being of myself and others is my soul's temple. My resistance to take action in alignment with the greater well-being of myself and others is my soul's temple. My resistance to take action in alignment with the greater well-being of myself and my loved ones is my soul's temple. My resistance to take action in alignment with the greater well-being of myself and my loved ones is my soul's temple. My resistance to take action in alignment of the greater well-being of myself and my loved ones is my soul's temple. My resistance to take action in alignment with the greater well-being of myself and others is my soul's temple. My resistance to ensure action in alignment with the greater well-being of myself and others is my soul's temple. My resistance to ensure action in alignment with the greater well-being of myself and others is my soul's temple. My resistance to ensure action in alignment with the greater well-being of myself and others is my soul's temple. My physical environment 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 is my soul's temple. The illness and the suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in the physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The suffering, sickness, and illness in my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me about my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. The pain within me with regards to my physical environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and focusing on others to choose healing for themselves is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and healing my pain first and spreading awareness about the possibility of healing the environment. Possibility of healing in the environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. Healing my pain first and spreading awareness of the possibility of healing in my environment is my soul's temple. My resistance to let people choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. My my need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My need to insist of a certain way of healing is my soul's temple. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul strength. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul strength. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. My resistance to encourage people to choose what works for them to heal themselves is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Being an encourager rather than a critic is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Eliminating criticism from my way of being is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Sending lot of prayers and blessings to all who are unwell in my environment is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Having faith that my prayers and blessings also work as good as healing is my soul's temple. Invoking all the healing angels to send healing, spread healing, gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking angels, healing angels to send healing, spread healing, gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking angels, healing angels to spread healing, gift healing, share healing with all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking healing angels to spread healing, share healing, and gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking healing angels to spread healing, gift healing, share healing with all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking healing angels to spread healing, share healing, gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking healing angels to spread healing, share healing, gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking healing angels to spread healing, share healing, and gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking healing angels to spread healing, share healing, gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking healing angels to spread healing, share healing, and gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Invoking the healing angels to spread healing, share healing, and gift healing to all those who are willing to receive is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Flowing consciousness, choice, and ease to the people who are unwilling to receive healing is my soul's temple. Yes, those are raised hands one by one. Tell me what's it that you want to share. Poonam, you want to say something? You raise your hand? No. Okay. Ranjali?
Nothing as such. Nothing.
Okay, so I just saw raised hands, so I asked. Okay, cool.
Acha, no.
Fine. So,
Bandadi, may I?
yeah, please.
Yeah, thank you. You know what you just said, that people who are not willing to receive and who are suffering. So this is what exactly is going here and in my heart. My cousin is quite serious, and I'm getting those calls and calls and calls. And what you said is giving me clarity. Ki we don't have to say that that person is wrong anywhere.
Yeah, absolutely.
Whatever we can contribute for, the person.
Just praying for them is enough, good enough.
praying for them.
And whatever is best for them will show up. The prayer has to be, okay, whatever is best for them, may that show up with ease. That's all.
Yeah. So nowhere we should make the other person wrong कि अगर वो hospital नहीं जा रहा है और अगर वो healing नहीं कर रहा है. If that person knows that he is happy in whatever he or she is doing, so let that.
Whether the person knows or is ignorant is not the question here. Maybe they are ignorant, maybe they know. But at the same time, if we are going to dwell in that and make them and ourselves wrong for that, we are not empowering them.
Yes.
Okay. When we will encourage them and encourage this freedom of choice, right? Then there is a possibility that tomorrow they will come and tell that, okay, I would also like to know what you're doing. But if we continue to say that what they are doing is wrong. They don't know what they are doing.
As you just said, let's clarify the thought, feeling, and emotion we are having when we are
Absolutely.
saying all this, because then we start clearing. As you say, it's a ripple effect.
It is.
We are practicing and practicing and practicing.
Yes. And every day, when we are healing ourselves, the ripple effect is reaching them any which way. Even if we do nothing for them, just this changing our inner space, our inner energy, will change something or the other as much as they are willing to receive. But how much it will change, we cannot control that.
Yes.
Anyway, we cannot control.
Yes.
Right? So that is absolutely on the person as much as they are willing to receive.
Yeah. Thank
And
you.
we can just pray for them. That's all.
And Pannati, we can do this template 2-3 times a day, the one we did today.
Yeah, definitely. You can do this, or you can listen to the morning one, the evening one, when I'm sharing the morning and the evening,
Right.
so that you can get a different
Right.
thing also.
And
You can
Pannati,
do this also. Yes.
One more thing, like earlier I had done Soul's Temple for my knees pain, and it really benefited me. Though my knee pain was, 4-5 years this
Old.
thing, and but yeah, old. But it was very beneficial. So I had this confusion: if I'm doing my knee pain Soul's Temple, I can do all these Soul's Temples side by side, or if I have any other pain, can I address it also?
You
side
can
by side?
address one more pain apart from your knee pain, but not more than 2 things at a time. Which what I always say, because it's a very, very powerful tool. We don't have any clue about to what extent it is working. And if we take too many things at a time, it'll become overwhelming.
Right.
We won't be able to handle the
So
intensity.
right now we are doing this Soul's Temple daily, and I try to do your Soul's Temple morning one also and evening also. So what I want to know is that should I do my knee pain template with it, or should I leave it for some time?
Maybe you don't require it if it's not paining badly.
Yeah, it's not paining that bad. Okay.
Yeah, then all these things are also going to any which way affect your body. Because what we are doing is definitely going to benefit each one here in some form or manner. So you can just be willing to receive, and you can put an intention कि doing these templates itself remove all the pain and suffering in my body. What?
Yeah. Right.
So you can put a question to the universe that, okay, what will it take for my whatever remaining pain to go away simply by doing these templates? Why do I have to do more work?
That's it. Yeah.
Right?
Thank you. Thanks. Ma'am.
Yeah. So you're welcome. And thank you, people. I'll sign off for the day. For today, this afternoon batch. Yes.
दी आप ये वाला सोल टेम्पल हिंदी में लिख के भेज सकते हैं क्या?
ये वाला थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा मुझे ना हिंदी में कन्वर्ट करने में. इट विल टेक सम टाइम. ऐसा कर सकते हो कि तुम में से कोई कन्वर्ट करके मुझे भेजो, उसमें करेक्शन मैं कर दूंगी. खुद पे ले लो प्लीज जिम्मेदारी.
ओके ओके ओके.
जिसकी हिंदी अच्छी है वो लिख के भेजो. अगर उसमें कुछ करेक्शन करना होगा तो वो मैं दे दूंगी. ठीक है. बिकॉज अगर मैं सारा जिम्मेदारी खुद पे ले ली तो मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा काम हो जाएगा और वो मेरे लिए टैक्सिंग हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
चलो. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you
so
Ranjit.
much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.